Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best 60% mechanical gaming keyboards available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 5 we have our K-Royal 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. This ultra-compact layout comes with 61 keys, makes you a neat desktop with your organized gears on. Even folks have nothing to do with Minimalist will dive into its tiny practical design. It allows you to use continuously about 13 hours with lightest backlit up to 360 hours standby time. The 17 dynamic backlit modes keep the plain effect away. You can enjoy the fun of making your own unique keyboard. On number 4 we have the RU 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. This DK61 mechanical keyboard has a perfect size and it's good for home and office use, without numpad. And more practical for gamers and typists, give more space to your desktop. It is powerful software editing features, personalize functions as you like. It customize advanced features and offline macros. Its software can meet all your needs and realize your endless imagination. And you can be hot swapped, replaced by other optical switches you like. On number 3 we have an 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. This minimalistic design, doing more with less. It requires less hand movement while still being able to access all the functionalities. It saves desk space and easy to carry around. This decent Bluetooth connectivity enables wireless connection up to 4 devices and switch seamlessly back and forth. It saves desk space and easy to carry around. On number 2 we have Moto Speed 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. This adopts Bluetooth 3.0 technology, makes connection effortless. Its wired and Bluetooth dual mode accommodates to any situations for you to use. It comes with LED backlight, easily switches backlight modes. The compact 61-key mechanical keyboard design saves more space. You can use our 60% mechanical keyboard at home, at the company, and on the travel because its size is very convenient to carry. On number 1 we have Kraken Pro 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. The Kraken Pro 60% mechanical keyboard is trusted by many of your favorite pro players, YouTubers, Twitch streamers, and other content creators around the world. Its silver speed switches are extremely fast, giving you the advantage in video games. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.